Well, good morning, YouTube. It's 8:44 in the morning. It's Sunday, the 13th of October. My plan, and this plan may change depending how I feel when I get there, is to go up in the hills behind Cal State do a little off-road riding, but I don't know, man. The more I think about it, the more I'm thinking it's a bad idea. Because, I don't got anybody to ride with. I'm going to be out there all by myself, and if something happens, I'm going to be all by myself. Trying to go the least amount of distance I have to go to get to where I'm going, so I have power when I get out there. I am going over some hills, though. This is a fairly steep hill I'm climbing up right now. For a fat guy on an e-bike, that is. I like to call this section of road the E Street Speedway because of the way people drive over this hill a lot of the time. Can't blame them though, it's on camber and it's curvy and it's got 4 lanes. Well, I guess I'm going to attempt this, guys. I'm going to attempt this. I'll see how I feel. I can always just turn around and not do it, so it's not a big deal. Oh, nobody's at the hang glider thing today. Imagine turning that corner too early. That would have sucked. I'm like, oh, I'm dead. A lot of silt and soft shit right here. Rocks. Oh my God. Yeah, they've been out here tearing the road up. Oh, fuck. I need to get over to the left here. Jesus. Okay. That was a bit rougher than I was expecting. Damn. I don't think I've ever ridden out here with the dual sport tires on. There's obviously been bikes out here. I can see bike trails in front of me, or bike tire marks, bicycle tire marks. I mean, man, this is really rough today. Jesus, holy shit! I'm trying to go fast, but I kind of can't. Oh wow, this is really tore up. It doesn't look tore up to the naked camera eye, but there's all those braking marks in the road from cars going through here, how it's all riveted and shit, or riveted. I don't know how to fucking pronounce it. And occasionally there's tractors and stuff that come out here for resurfacing the roads and stuff too. So okay, let's see how soft this shit is. Taking it easy. Trying to lean back and take the weight off my front tire so my front tire doesn't wash out on me. Jesus. That is really rough compared to how it usually is. Maybe my tires are just too hard. I do have them that's close to max PSI as I can get air in them. So when I take the pump valve off, it tends to deflate a little bit. It would be so nice if I had suspension. Even just a suspension seat post at this time would be great. Ooh, really rough. I need to remember to stay to the left on this part. I always drift over to the right over here, and then it's way rougher on the right. Look, a wabbit. It's a wascally wabbit. Oh, my leg's gonna be itching later. I just hit a bush or a weed. Fucking rough as shit, bro. See, look at this bike climbing, man. Look at this shit. 100-pound fucking folding e-bike and a 400-pound crazy bastard on a fucking dual motor fucking e-bike climbing uphill in the dirt like it's nothing. Trust me, this thing's got way more power. I'm just going slow. It is like telling me, Larry, fucking full throttle it, you son of a bitch, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to get shit. I'm gonna go over this way and then turn. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. That was fun. That's the part usually isn't too bad. Ooh, gotta catch my breath. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, I hit soft spots. Thought my tire was going flat in front. I'm fine. I think I'm fine. Tire's fine. Just really soft dirt. Thinking about actually putting a regular bike tire back on the front of this bike because it seems to roll better. I like the dual sports and the durability and the lack of flats on the front, but I think a wider bike tire would be better. It's just not grippy enough in the front for me. Wow, they smoothed this. I didn't even notice this. This used to be really rough too, or like kind of rough, but they seem to have gone over it a lot and smoothed it out. Yeah, because usually this turn right here, this right turn is usually like full of soft dirt, but now it's just kind of, it's actually still kind of slippery though, because it's kind of paved. They like smooth the crap out of this. God, I wish I was skinnier, man. This would be so much easier if I was a skinnier person again. I have to like take corners so gingerly because there's so much weight. I'll just go sliding out or start drifting like way more and then slide out. I did it, guys. I went off-road. I overcame my anxiety and then negative anticipation and went off-road. So here we go. Oh man, that was fun. We did it, guys. We went off-road. It's a team effort because like I'm doing it for you and I'm doing it for you too. Not got somebody coming up behind me. Let's see, maybe I'll do this dirt. Maybe I'll do this dirt. What are you doing, Centra? There's nobody here, bro. Fuck it. Remember, there's some soft dirt in here now. I haven't gone the reverse angle of this thing in a long time. Trying to avoid all the soft, gravelly stuff. I really need to do this part at a different time of day because the shadows are falling over this and I can't see important areas of this and I don't want to crash on it. I don't want to crash, period, but I don't want to enhance the possibility of crashing by riding when I can't see what I'm doing. I think I'm just going to go over here this old way. Cut in front of the, oh, this way. This will hopefully make for a good off-road video. See, everybody always thinks like when you buy a folding frame, it's like, but isn't it going to unfold when you're riding it? It's like always that thing in your head telling you that's going to happen. But these folding frames are awesome for portability and for the people that use them like that, you know, not me. But like they stay together fine. The latches are safety mechanisms up the wazoo. They're not going to pop open on you as long as you maintain them properly. So there's more spiders on the stand. I gotta watch out for. So remember, it'd be super duper awesome if you could like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on those post notifications. Look at my bedraggled shadow. Look at my hair. It's like bad hair day. Subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. We're up to 1,138. It's going up more than it's going down. That's always a positive. New subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for getting us up to that 1,138. That's awesome. Random viewers, consider subscribing. I got lots of short videos. My long videos are broken down into short videos, so I always have a ton of content to put up. And I also have a lot. I try to upload the long videos as much as possible, but it's a little bit more difficult because I have to render them, and it takes hours and hours and hours for my computer to render files in Power Director. So at a good resolution and a good frame rate. So yeah. With that, remember to have a wonderful whatever wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next e-bike ride video, e-bike maintenance video, cute pet video, random food video, or occurrence in the city of San Bernardino. If something happens when I'm out and about and I'm near it, I'll check it out. If something happens when I'm at home and I'm feeling okay, maybe I'll go check it out. We'll have to see. Nothing really has happened so far. Oddly enough, in a city with one of the highest crime rates in the country, nothing's happened. I'm confused. Maybe that's a good thing. I'm not complaining about that. Okay. Bye.